Oil prices are correcting as the demand for oil is at risk of falling. The nearest Brent crude oil futures contract is retreating to $44 per barrel. The quotes are likely to end the trading session in negative territory. The stronger US dollar across the board may affect the ruble. This week, oil has returned to the levels above $45 per barrel. Buyers became more optimistic due to the greenback's decline, but the rally is unlikely to be long-lasting. The main reason for uncertainty in the energy market remains the growing number of new COVID-19 cases. The pace of recovery in oil demand depends on the coronavirus situation. According to the commodity analysts, OPEC Plus and the United States crude production in July and August at current prices will increase by more than 4 million barrels per day. This is expected to stand in the way of a steady upward trend of oil prices. At midday, the nearest Brent crude oil futures contract lost half a percentage point. North Sea crude was valued at $44.86 per barrel. A similar trend pattern was shown by WTI, which was trading at $41.77 per barrel in midday session. The oil market is overheated as the United States has delayed the release of its new stimulus plan. Today, it can be seen that the market is cooling a bit. Investors' attempts to lock in profits could keep Brent below the level of $45 per barrel. An additional factor that could put some downward pressure on the quotes is the decision of top oil exporter Saudi Arabia to cut its September official selling price. Today, the weekly Baker Hughes report on the number of active U.S. rigs is in the focus of oil traders. Market players do not exclude that the rally of oil quotes this week could lead to increased drilling activity in the United States. In this case, the market will face another problem, an increase in U.S. crude supply. Considering all these factors, the correction dynamics may go on for another week. The ruble started the day with a sharp decline against the US dollar, although the day before there were some signs of its strengthening. During yesterday's trading session, the dollar-ruble pair gained 0.6%. In today's midday session, the pair added another 0.5%, settling at 73.65. The ruble came under pressure from the news that tensions between the United States and China are escalating. Donald Trump's attack on Chinese apps has put traders off buying the Russian currency. Market players are now worried about China's response. During the day, the US dollar is likely to stay firmly in the upper zone of the 70-75 rubles trading range. Today's macroeconomic calendar is full of some important news from the United States, such as jobs data and non-farm payrolls. Therefore, the situation may change in the evening. The Russian currency may come under increased pressure since Friday. This is due to a decrease in foreign currency sales by the Ministry of Finance in August. The volume is expected to be halved compared to July. Given the seasonal decline in the current account balance, the ruble has almost no chance of gaining ground. In this regard, the medium-term forecast remains negative. The ruble may well tumble to 75 per dollar. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.